Well, hello YouTube, here's a new video for you. Cooker's on the blink, so we're going to do a bit of cooking. As you can see, we've got some Richmond's skinless sausages, butter's already there, and that's the Coleman C300, one of the better canisters. So yeah, let's get going. Melt the butter first. There we go. Yeah, no problem. Really fast. So we'll be back with you in a second, showing you the cooking of the sausages there. Okay, we're back. We've got 3 sausages there, look. There we go. Stand by, just got to get a stirrer. Yeah. Cooking nicely. We've got to turn it up a bit though. That's better. Sizzling in the pan. This won't take no time at all. Did this a few times since the cooker broke down. And yeah, it's pretty fun. More fun than cooking inside, to be honest. Yeah, I'll whack up a bit higher. There it goes, really high now. I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit actually. Yeah. Only spitting now. These are nearly done. Yeah, nice little bit of cooking on a Sunday evening, that. At the end of January. Yeah, I thought I'd be outside doing a video of this, but there you go. Usually do these on camping videos. This is garden cooking. Yeah, let's do go a bit more, I reckon. There we are, super flame. That's as high as it goes. Yeah, as you can see, doing very well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just a short one really, showing some cooking. And yeah, catch you soon for some new videos.